let me check the histories of.
Hello, today I'm just like exploring, the campsite of Wat Phra site.
Religious events. Monks is, busy. Starting my day at this very serene. Wait here. Really afraid. And we go another way. They stay there. What a relief now.
So peaceful vibe until the dogs decided I'm the main character. Of course, they're just like bugging at me again. Part of this adventure, I tried local food, so good. Tastes like home, Myanmar vibe, kinda like Shan-Style, more coming soon. So hit subscribe button. Thank you.
What a day. By the way, I do not finish yet my eyebrow. 7-Eleven first, and after that I will finish my another eyebrows, and we continue my journey, of course. May I go for eyebrow pencil? What is that? Waterproof mascara. How much? Same color or no? I'm just checking. This one.
149.
All right.
49.
I'm gonna go, I'm gonna rent the bedroom to the hostel and be right back. Just right now, I finished, the other side of my eyebrow, pencil. So I'm buying just like let's start with the temper. Of course, this morning the breakfast is delicious, and all the thing is like a kind of some tea, coffee, and of course American breakfast, salad with varieties of vegetable and also egg. So I'm full, totally, full energy, of course. That's why. Are you ready to go with me? So please try with me on this journey. Of course, this is my very first day Chiang Rai trip. I'm just visiting around the town. I don't want to go too much far away. I do explore a bit in this nearby area, just like the temple first, just like the evening walk. Let's go. I'm just going to my very first point, which is called
Wat Phra Kaew, Chiang Rai. Wat Phra Kaew, Chiang Rai.
Yes, Wat Phra Kaew, Chiang Rai, which is the temple, rich with the history, and of course I'm really excited to see standing Buddha statues here, and So I'm going on the way to Wat Phra Kaew. There may be a lot of transportations to go around there. I do prefer most the way it's like walking, of course, because in terms of healthy point of view, in terms of cost efficiency, and also rather than I do visit with a tour package, it's quite expensive also. I do prefer just like seeking the place in the Google, and also checking out other review, and do explore by myself. So that's my preferred way to explore and discover the things. It's like I do prefer than going around the town or exploring the activities which include in the tour package. I don't prefer in the tour package. Maybe just like tour package maybe go for someone who don't have not enough time. So maybe just like who want to go within short period of time and want to see at the same time several attractions. So that might be suitable for someone. So but not for me. That's why I do explore by my own, just like that. I'm just like checking Google very often. I don't want to be around directions. That's why now it's almost there, of course. Happy walking because of seeing, just like sightseeing, explore things just by my own. So I'm really into walking, exploring, of course. It's totally almost there. So I'm just checking this town map for explore. Let me check. Maybe I will follow and symbols, train station. So it's very good to know here. Map and information around the town is like attractions, places. That's why maybe when I arrive home, I will check. Oh, there's also, the temple nearby, just like that. Yeah. See? It's, Wat Phra Kaew. Of course, that I wanna go. So let's go and check inside. Monks. Checking is like, should I go first into this place? Coconuts, banana. Pagoda. romantic orchards for wine in this area. Such a place, holy place. Maybe there have been some, religious events for, celebrate or something like that. So many chairs inside for readiness, of course. The detail, see paintings around this tide or pillar, just like that. Now I'm very lucky of the chance of seeing Buddha. Wow. Closer a bit. To check more details. I want to record on my tiny camera. Such details. Such details, of course. Very pleasant music come out from this sound box. So, shall we go another? Because monks is busy for some religious activities. So see, busy. So I don't want to, interrupt, and let's go and check another. Oh, it's a real orchid. That's real orchids. Such a beauty. Orchids. The flower is big. I will compare with my hand. Oh. I'm really into, this orchids flower. So lovely orchids. I'm really into seeing and touching the flower just like that. The variety of color. Such a beauty inside. It's like a drum. Wat Phra Kaew. Such an interesting place. Shall we a bit explore? Wow. Jade. Jade odor. Place. Wow, such a very details. I have a chance of seeing this very stunning Buddha statues. Jade odor. I'm also lucky, studying this elephants, stunning. See? Giants were painting just like that. It's truly art. See? Such a details. So details. And I want to check some review why people are visiting this temple and what's the famous point. Yeah, it's 14th century temple housing a copy of Thailand Emerald Boulder discovered here. 1434. Such a history. This jade powder. Let me pray. Yes, this is not jade. This is emerald powder. Emerald powder. 14th century temple housing, discovered here. This emerald powder. 4034. Emerald powder. That's why everybody is coming here. Wat Phra Kaew, temple compound. So let's go another one. See, so many dragon sets. Let me check the histories of Wat Phra Kaew. 4034 AD. Such a history. See this pagoda and this temple is such a history. What a history is. What's that? I'm just checking this. Three. Almond root. This is almond root. See? Such an interesting. See, curious. Maybe I will study when I arrive closer and will tell you back, because I do so many times see the chicken inside the Buddha temple area. That's why I'm curious though. My shoes as usual. Buddha image. Donation box. Buddha, jade Buddha. You know, I cannot resist my kneel down and, you know, worship. Of course, there are so many things to explore around every corner. Many see Buddha statues. Such an, you know, amazing place. Chinese statues here around. Somebody donates or something like that. Jade, you see? Statues can explore several, you know, interesting things in this area. See, such a details. Wooden shrines. Impressive, of course. Every corner. Such a, you know, see details in the door, just like that. Wat Phra Kaew is definitely, you know, Chiang Rai hidden gem. I saw, see, the giant statue. That's why I'm just seeking all around this gompa. I'll be right back when I see this, you know, very giant statues. By the way, you know, I don't see two giant statues near around, so I'm just heading to another temple. Of course, starting my day at this very serene temple is very pleasant, of course. Such an amazing day, such a bamboo, you know, road, and walking into this Wat Phra Kaew temple is a kind of you know, a vibe is like home to history, and I'm gonna pass this road. Such a lovely road. We're here. Yeah. I'm lucky now. But I'm afraid of walking in front of the dogs, so for a while in this area and for safe. Such a place. Really afraid. Such a dog. Angry dogs. And we go another way. They are just, you know, angry or hungry, I don't know. I lost my way. Hello, madam. Could you help me to go out because of dog? Because I'm afraid dog. Alright. Thank you. I'm just trying to avoid the dogs near around. How should I go? How should I avoid these, barking dogs? They are staying there. I will wait the people or the monks and I go together because I don't want to go alone. Maybe having time for charge my battery in this area. Could you help me to go to the pagoda because I'm afraid of dogs. They are barking, that's why. I'm afraid of dogs. Oh, no dogs. No dogs right now. No, I'm just feeling the whole body. What a relief now. My heart, like raven. I hope I do not face barking dogs today. What's that? Yeah. Looks delicious.
ภาษาจีนได้ไหมพี่ ภาษาจีนได้ไหม
The lady is preparing, so I'm just want to sit here and how much? All right. Thank you. Thank you. I got it. Maybe this must be my lunch or something like that. Recharge my battery. Human battery, of course. What about that one? Oh, okay. Small portion, please. Small portion, please. Because I have this. So small one. I like that one. Put more. I will try those, delicious food in this area. No, not me. All right. Thank you. Like that. Yes. Not full. Small portions. Small. Maybe. Anyway, I can try this one. Small portions. Not many. Small one. Small one. Because I cannot eat too much. Because this one and small one. Not too much. It's okay. It's
น้อง
okay. One.
น้องวันนี้ใช้ภาษาอังกฤษได้ก็ภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม เดี๋ยว
It's okay.
มาดูเดี๋ยวก่อนนะ
Alright. Have to.
Today I'm just like exploring, the campsite of Wat Phra site. So peaceful vibe until the dogs decided I'm the main character. Of course, they're just like barking at me again, part of this adventure.
ไม่ใช่ อันนี้ใส่ถุงหรือว่าสารช่วยอะไรไม่รู้นะพี่บอกเขาว่าอันนี้ยาวแบบนี้เอาอยู่อันนี้ไว้
One packet, two packet.
I just want to make a salad, not too many, small portion, because I have this, and that's why not too much salad.
อ๋อ
Small portion.
ผสมใช่กัน
เอาปลาสูงปลาใช่ไหมอ๋อไม่ต้องเผ็ดใช่ไหม
packet
Yes. No. I want to eat.
อ๋ออีกหนึ่งจ้ะ
I tried local food, so good. Tastes like home, Myanmar vibe, kinda like Shan-Style. More coming soon, so hit subscribe button. Thank you.
Let me recharge for a while.